India, a vibrant democracy. So many religions, so many languages, so many castes, creeds and races, yet one country. The largest democracy in the world, with over 1 billion people and also with the highest population of youth in a single country. Upon the shoulders of these young men and women lies the destiny of India. In the near future, as the old leaders of the country make way for the youth to take charge of the nation, the youth of today will have to work with great diligence and care in order to lead the country to a position of great strength on the world scene. Realizing the responsibility thrust upon them, Rahul V. Karad, the youthful executive director of MIT Group of Institutions Pune, conceived the idea of imparting education and training in politics and the art of good governance to the youth as early as in 2005 when he founded the MIT School of Government. MIT School of Government is the first and only school in India and Asia to conduct a year-long residential program to train the educated youth of India for a career in politics. Nearly 300 alumni of MIT School of Government are now associated with different political parties of India in various capacities. If we have trained doctors, trained engineers and trained managers, then why not trained politicians? As politicians make almost all the decisions that affect the lives of citizens of India, asks Rahul Karad. In order to invite the participation of more and more youth in the political process of the country, Rahul Karad conceived the idea of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, or Indian Students' Parliament. Which brought together student leaders from different universities across the country on a single common platform to voice their opinions and make their voices heard across the length and breadth of the country.
We can be lovable girlfriends and boyfriends. We can be outstanding general secretaries of our colleges. We can be amazing sons and daughters. Then why not a responsible, willing and a politics-friendly citizen of this nation?
Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is an open classroom of over 10,000 student leaders who learn from eminent personalities from different fields, who guide them on how they can participate in nation building.
अपनी जिंदगी को पढ़ो।
आप वो होंगे जो अभी आपको करना है।
आप अपनी शक्ति को पहचानिए।
For 3 days, the students are exposed to enriching life-sharing experiences of icons who have made it big in their respective vocations. The first Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad was organized by Miles MIT School of Government in 2011 with the active support of UNESCO Chair for Human Rights, Democracy, Peace and Tolerance, World Peace Center, Ayandi. The government of Maharashtra also extended its full support through the Ministry of Higher and Technical Education and Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. The first Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad comprised of 11 sessions. second Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad had the support of the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of India, in addition to that of the Government of Maharashtra. This parliament comprised of 9 sessions. The third Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad concluded on 12th of January 2013 at Myers MIT campus, Pune, with over 10,000 student leaders participating in full vigor and attention.
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड। मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। कृष्ण की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है। जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो।
History was made during the third Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, when 10 youth wing leaders assembled on the dais and administered the oath for strengthening democracy.
I affirm my lifelong commitment to fight against all types of social and economic justice.
This was perhaps for the first time that, cutting across party lines and ideologies, the youth wing leaders came together on one platform. The live webcast of the Parliament proceedings was done with the support of A-View, a platform developed by Amrita University and funded by Ministry of HRD, which was shown to over 50 universities across the country. Live telecast of the proceedings was done by Rajya Sabha TV and highlights were telecast by Lok Sabha TV. With each passing year, Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is gaining new grounds. More and more student leaders are adapting to the idea of entering public life through politics and shouldering the responsibility of serving the nation with determination and devotion.